Welcome back, friends, on the Google Analytics free tutorial video. So now, just let's go through a basic reporting. It might not be too much important, but at times it can be important for you. So what we are going to see today is regarding the details of the browsers through which your website is getting traffic. So people might be using different types of browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge. A lot of browsers are there. So if you want to know from which all browsers your website is getting traffic from, then there's a simple method for that. There's a simple report for that in Google Analytics. So just log into your Google Analytics, and in the report section again go to the audience section. So a lot of links are there under it. Go down, scroll down. So you can see a link called technology. Click on that. So you can see two options: browser and OS, and network. Browser and OS is actually the details for the browser and the operating systems through which your website is getting traffic. So here we will be looking into the browser details. So click on that. Yeah. So now you can see a report over here regarding the browser details. So out of the total 58 traffic to your, visitors on your website, 49 of them came from Chrome. It's almost 84%. It's followed by Safari, UZ browser, Edge, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Opera Mini, Samsung Internet. So the list goes on like that. So this it can be useful for you at times whenever you need to identify the major browsers that are driving traffic to your website. Okay, so if you like this video, just click on the like button and also share this video among your friends and other communities. Also, kindly subscribe this channel, and while subscribing, make sure that you click on the bell icon so that whenever a new video is uploaded to this channel, you will be notified of that. Okay, till then, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.